Hello, boys and girls. I wanted to review some 3D shapes with everyone. So I made this little presentation to work through and then a little activity at the end. Very short and very sweet. So a 3D shape, remember, is a solid shape. It is not flat. It is a solid shape. So the first 3D shape that we're going to look at is the sphere. A sphere is a round, solid shape, kind of like a ball. A sphere has 0 faces and 0 corners. It will roll. These are some examples of some real-world sphere shapes. As you can see, they are solid. Again, this is a sphere. The next shape we're going to look at is a cube. Now, a cube is a solid shape that looks similar to a square. That is because each face of a cube is the shape of a square. As you can see, each side, each face has 4 corners and 4 sides, and all the sides are the same length. So the cube has 6 faces. That is the flat side, 8 corners, that is the points, and 12 edges, and that is where your faces come together to make an edge. Here are some real-world examples of a cube. The next shape we're going to look at is a cone. Now, you boys and girls are most familiar with a cone, like an ice cream cone or a snow cone. A snow cone, or a cone has 1 face and 1 point. Remember, the face is the flat side, so it is 1 face where the flat side it could stand up on, kind of like our orange cone here. Notice it is standing up flat on the face. The point is where it comes to an end. And here are some real-world cone examples. The last shape that we're going to look at is a cylinder. Now, a cylinder has 2 faces, so that means it could stand flat on the top or the bottom, but it also has 0 corners, okay? Now, a cylinder is a rectangle that has been rolled together. If you were to roll it out, that is one interesting thing. So, and you would of course have to put your 2 faces on the end. But here are some real world examples of a cylinder. So now we're coming to this little activity. I am going to reveal one of these rectangles, and I would love for you to be able to tell me what shape is behind it. What shape is this? If you said cone, you are correct. This cone has 1 face and 1 point. What shape is this? If you said sphere, you are correct. A sphere has 0 faces and 0 points, 0 corners, and 0 edges. What shape is this? If you said cylinder, you are correct. A cylinder has 2 faces, 0 points, 0 corners. And our last shape, what shape is this? If you said cube, you are correct. A cube has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. Thank you for participating in our video today. I hope this review helped. Maggie loves to bark. Feel free to go back and review the different shapes that were mentioned here. Again, boys and girls, these are 3D shapes, which means they are solid, and they are a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a cylinder. I hope you all have a wonderful day.